Well, I was in Walmart a while ago, and they had one of these fellas left. I looked at them a while back, and they had them like for, I don't remember how much they were, but I know they were more than what they are right now, which was $14.92. And if this isn't worth $14.92, considering all the other toys I looked at that was just, just regular figures, smaller figures, for that price, then I mean you can see this is a big toy, and it also.
Welcome to Al Board, gentlemen. I am to transport you to the residence.
I mean, this is a a battery operated toy that walks and stuff, so.
For your convenience, I am monitored to respond to the name Robbie. Welcome to Al Board, gentlemen. I am to transport you to the residence.
Yeah, just thought I'd share this with you guys. I was in there like a few months back, and they had a couple of these, and I'm pretty sure it was either 25 or 30 bucks. I'm not sure. I almost bought one. It might have been 20, but I was thinking I would probably have purchased one at 20. But anyway, at 15 bucks, I just went ahead and bought it. Not much to think about it. I'm going to probably keep it sealed, although I do not want to leave the batteries in it. So that's kind of a dilemma. I want to keep it sealed, but I know what the batteries would do. They will corrode and destroy the battery box. But anyway, I thought I would share this with you guys. Thanks for watching.